Hello, here you will find a grammar playlist from beginner to advanced. Grammar Topic 1 Verb to be, affirmative. The verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. We use it to talk about names, age, feelings, places, descriptions. Structure. The structure to use is subject plus verb to be plus complement. Examples: I am happy, she is a student, they are friends. The verb to be has three forms in the present: I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are. They are mini story, the new class. It is the first day of English class. The teacher says, "Hello, I'm Mr. Lewis. I'm your English teacher." The students smile. One girl says, "I am Julia. I am from Spain." A boy says, "I am Mark. I am 20 years old." Another student says, "We are very excited." Mr. Lewis smiles and says, "Great, you are a wonderful group. We are ready to start." Common mistakes. I am agree. I agree. She are my sister. She is my sister. They is happy. They are happy. You am tired. You are tired. We is in the class. We are in the class. Example sentences. I am Anna. I am happy today. You are my friend. You are at home. He is a teacher. She is tired. It is cold outside. We are ready. We are in the park. They are students. They are from Brazil. Press pause to solve the questions. Listen to the audio and try to fill in the answers, then look at the answers. Practice exercise. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. I, a student. You, my best friend. She, at home now. He, very tall. It, a sunny day. We are in the same class. They are from Canada. I am ready to learn. You are at the park. We are happy today.